Hello student, today I am going to tell you that how we can convert a decimal number to binary number. Here we can give, it is very important from the class 11 computer science. So here we take the number 259 divide which we want to convert into binary form. So here how we can convert this number into binary form. Firstly we can divide this number by 2 because in binary number they have the 2 digits. So we can divide 259 by 2, then we get the quotient 129 and remainder 1. Next time we can divide 129 by 2, then we get the quotient 64 and remainder 1. After that, when we divide the 64 by 2, then we get the quotient 34 and it is completely divided and remainder will be 0. Remainder will be 0. Then we can divide the 32 by 16 and remainder get the 0. And after that, it is also completely divided by the 2, then we get the 0. Then 4 is also completely divided by 4, 2, then it get the remainder 0. Then after that, we can divide the 4 by 2, it get the remainder 0. Then after that, 2 is divided by 1, then 0. When we try to divide 0, then we get the 1. So it is a remainder. And when we talk about the MSB and LSB, so what is MSB? MSB is the most significant bit and LSB is the least significant bit. MSB, we can write the number from the MSB to LSB. Okay. Then when we here write the number from this, then we can write there here 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1. So here this will be the answer of that number, that it is a converted number, that means it is converted into binary form. When why we use the 2, because 2 is the base of the number, that it tells us that it is in binary form and it tells us is in decimal form. Now the second number we get here, we can going to convert the decimal number to octal number. As we all know that octal number is that number which contains 8 digits. That means digit from 0 to 7. So total digits equal to 8 digits. Okay. Now here are some steps. We must remember that when we go to convert decimal number to octal number. Here step 1. Step 1, write the given decimal number. Write the given decimal number. And second step, if the given number is less than 8, then octal number is the same. That means if the given number is less than 8, in the third step, if the decimal number is greater than 7, then divide the number by 8. Note the remainder we get after the division. Fifth step is repeat the step 3 and 4 with the question till it is less than 8. Now write the remainders in reverse order. That means bottom to top. The resultant is the equivalent octal number to the given decimal number. So these are the steps to convert the decimal to octal number. Here we take the example of this number 1792, which we want to convert into octal number. So we take the decimal number 1792. When we divide by 8, then we get the quotient 224, and the remainder will be 0. Then octal number will be 0. When we divide the quotient by 8, where we get the quotient 224 and divide by 8, then quotient will be 28. Then remainder will be 0. Then in octal number we can write 0 0. And next step we got the quotient 28, so we can divide 28 by 8. So we got quotient 3 and remainder 4. Then we can write the octal number like 4 0 0. Next time we get the quotient 3, then we would divide the 3 by 8. Then quotient will be 0 and remainder will be 3. So how we can write this number? We can also write this number from the MSB to LSB. Okay, so here we can divide this like this. We can write numbers from top to bottom. So here when firstly we can write 3, then 4, then 0, then 0 and divide by, because here we can use 8 because it denotes base of octal number, and it is in 10 it shows the base of decimal number. So by using this step we can convert the number, any number we can say that here we can convert a decimal number into octal number. Okay.